Hello friends, this is Elemax generator and we are surfacing its head to fit the valve in it. The surface of the head should be plain so that it can be leak tight. That's empty paste on the glass, with the help of which we are making this head ready for the engine. Here you can see it is totally clean from scratches and in plain condition. Now we are going to fit the valve in it. This is in and this is exhaust, intake and exhaust, both valves. Here you can see the seal is only on the intake side and exhaust side has a spacer. No seal on exhaust side in this generator head. You should remember that. Only one seal on intake side. This is a spacer on the exhaust side. Now we are going to insert the valve inside the head. Check for the free movement of the valve. Now we have to put the spring on it. Now we have to fit the valve retainers, valve keepers or locks by slowly pressing the spring down. Here you can see the valve keepers are fitted. And the head is ready.